What's going on, guys? I want to do a quick video before the day kind of ends and we get into the weekend. So another nasty day in the stock market overall. Today, anybody who bought anything tech related got absolutely smashed. If you bought within the first hour of the market's open, market did try to scream higher, got rejected into a level of supply. That's the big thing that I keep pushing everyone to understand in my Discord, at least. And if you guys are not a member of the Discord, definitely join down in the description box below. But what I'm saying is, anytime stocks come out green right out of the gates, you always want to be a little bit cautious, unless you're a little bit more of an experienced trader where you're trying to scalp that opening range break high, or take the pre-market highs for a little ride, and get in and get out, and not worry about the stock if it goes up another $10. That's a different point. Anytime stocks shoot out of the gate, we want to look at those upper supply zones, and we want to see what do they do when they get there. Nvidia was one of those stocks that kind of shot up to start the day and then got rejected at its daily 10-day moving average. And when it got rejected at the daily 10-day moving average, pretty much rolled through all day. There was a little bit of a level that I posted in Discord that it set up when it lost the 20 SMA on a 5-minute time frame. And that was early on in the day. And once it lost that, it never really reclaimed it and pretty much just rode it all the way down. So with that being said, what we're looking at here on the video is a very, very nasty red candle. So if you guys are holding longs, especially holding longs in the semiconductors, something to be very, very cautious of. If Nvidia starts to lose $182, this is going to put, and I know this already sounds bad because Nvidia is already off highs, right? So if we kind of look, Nvidia is off these recent highs of 288, so we're already down 100 points. But if you think that stocks cannot go lower, you will be rudely mistaken. Stocks can continue to drop. Nvidia's lower Bollinger Band demand zone is sitting at around $167. If we do start to lose this 182, it could be a slow trickle down in there. Now, if we do get some sort of bounce, bulls would have to really reclaim 190, 191 on a daily close. That will give you room back into 200, and then over 200 gives you room back to 214. Those are the levels that you're going to need to play. You're going to have to stick by your guns. This is not a market where you can be guessing. You cannot start thinking that because, you cannot start thinking that because, stocks are down that they can't go higher. Or that they can't go lower, right? So thinking that, just because everything has been already sold for so long, thinking that things are oversold, they can definitely go a lot lower. Until we start reclaiming levels of supply, then that's a different conversation for a different day. Technically, Nvidia would need to get back over 235 before I would get a little bit more bullish on the stock, other than, a scalp long here or there. Something where I can just get in, kind of ride some momentum, but always look for that macro flush and macro breakdown. So going into next week, 182.81, that's the clear line in the sand. That's going to be our lows from sitting right here at 427. That's the day's lows when we kind of reversed and bounced higher, reclaimed the 5-day and got rejected today at the 10. So if we do start to confirm today's lows and we do start to lose 182, look for more slide on the video. Maybe you can catch a little bit of a short trade there. If you guys want to learn how to trade the market, the first 1 to 2 hours of each session, definitely get the 30-minute training video. It's 100% free. It's the first link down in the description box below. If you guys are looking to trade with myself and the rest of the guys that I trade with each and every single day live, join my Discord. If you guys are looking for a watch list, intraday signals, access to all of my strategies on how I kind of day trade these options each and every single day, go to evolutiontraders.com. The link is down in the description box below. That's my personal website. You guys can get all set up there, and I'll see you guys on the next one.